Hey, what's going on everyone? Gavin Peacock here, or the voice of. As you read in the title, I just want to share with you a cool audio effect, underwater audio effect. I'm going to stay silent for a little bit, watch these clips from my 365 Days of Awesome montages. If you haven't seen the full videos, you should definitely check them out. But just watch this minute or so and see if you can pick up on what's happening in each of the clips, and then I'm going to come back to a quick walkthrough on screen you guys can actually follow along with. So sit tight, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so right here is the clip you just watched, and down the timeline you can follow along and pause the video if you need to. If you don't want to go any further, basically I'm going to show you what a low pass filter does. That's the gist of this edit. But right here I've just pulled some raw clips out. I've muted the sound or the music for a sec. So up here you can see I'm in Thailand getting ready to go down this slide, flying down. I'm launching off the slide, and I've done one of those straight cut transitions to scuba diving underwater, and then a transition back to me coming out of the water. So in this section right here that I'm seeking through, you're going to be applying the low pass filter to drop all of the treble out of the audio to make it sound to your ears like you're underwater with the music as well. And again, the best thing to aid your visual perception of clips, like I said, straight cut can transport you in time and in place. The best accessory to that is having audio do the same for your ears, so it'll just better play into the effect you're trying to draw. So with all the clips you just saw, every one of these I had already applied in my original edits the low pass filter at the moments of going underwater. And I'd say, yeah, this started doing this around the first Hero 1 I had in my first year of the edits. And I noticed even GoPro picked up on the effect and was using it in their compilations as well. But anyway, we seek to the moment of going underwater, so it's going to be right about there. I'm going to use the razor tool to cut my audio track or music track, and then razor tool right as I peek out above the water, right about there, razor tool. I assume you guys can see all this. Okay, and I'm going to unmute this track here. Pretty loud. Let's take that down. Okay, so right now we have no change in audio. I'll pause that. Over my effects tab, audio effects, scroll down. Quick insert is high pass, is the classic filter you're going to use for a telephone voice. So low pass is something that's taking us underwater. If I go to my effects up here, it's defaulting to 1300 hertz as a cutoff. So I'll play this through for you. And that's done pretty well. And now you can hear more scuba bubbles. It makes it more realistic that the audio or the music is behind us in lesser volume and of lesser importance. And if I seek up, I can make it a lot higher. I can take it way down, which will taking it way down will make it sound almost deeper in water, so you can almost gauge how much you want to take off by how deep you are in the water scenes. A pool wouldn't be so much. Scuba diving deep would be a lot more. There's 600, and it's very bassy. And it's basically that easy, guys. If you want to go into a little more detail, some of my examples, if you watch them over down here, actually have a keyframe fade in, fade out. So if I got rid of, how am I going to do this? If I got rid of rid of those blade marks. I can also apply a low pass. I can have it peaking at these moments. And then just outside I can have it ramp up to, I don't even know, I'm just going to guess here, ramp up to 7,000 and then start in at 7,000. Okay, and then you get the same effect without using the blade tool, and you'll get a ramp down effect. So let's play this. So it's a little smoother. That's all I want to share with you guys today. A very quick one while it's raining outside and crap weather. Hope you guys like this video, and as always, share and subscribe. I'm enjoying making these follow along videos. I'll stay busy and think of some more. If you guys have any suggestions for what you want to see in the editing, feel free to comment below. And as always, you can go back to my huge editing tutorial series. It's 7 videos, probably 3 hours long, that walks you through certain audio effects and more detail on how to do this. So that's it for now. Gavin Peacock out. Love you guys. See you in the next video.